If you're wondering how to use Amazon renewed product features, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. So using Amazon renewed depends on whether you are buying refurbished goods or looking to sell them. The program offers professionally inspected pre-owned items at a discount. So if you're buying it, let me just go ahead and go through it for you. So Amazon renewed items are inspected to work like new and come with the Amazon renewed guarantee. So products are graded into categories like premium, no visible damage, excellent, good, and acceptable. Quality check. So batteries are tested to hold at least 80% on capacity, 90% for premium, and items come with all the necessary accessories. Where can you find them? If you're looking for it, you can simply go ahead and tap on the menu tab, click on shop by department, and look for the Amazon warehouse or Amazon resales, and simply go ahead and tap on that. If you're selling it, you can simply go ahead and click on your profile, and you can simply go ahead and look for the tab. If you want to sell, you can simply go ahead and apply for the Amazon Renewed program by heading into another browser. Simply go ahead and search for Amazon Renewed, just like that, and then simply go ahead and click on it, and this is where you can exactly go ahead and apply for it. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.